Students today shouldn't have to juggle so many things. They should be able to know where their next meal is coming from.
Food insecurity is often a hidden hazard. When students don't have appropriate food to eat, we lose them.
So the Fuel NKU partnership was just the most natural one we could find for Kroger. It makes so much sense to feed kiddos who are hungry while they're trying to get their degree.
6 years ago, Fuel NKU was one shelf, and now we're here with 2,300 square feet, support from our local Kroger.
The fresh options have made a huge difference. I mean, students are excited to get salads, they're excited to get fruits and vegetables.
Fuel NKU exists to support a new generation of leaders.
So at Kroger, our purpose is to feed the human spirit. And we do that by living our purpose every day.
Sure, we work for the biggest grocer in the US, but at the end of the day, it's a community store and folks go there to feed their family, whether it's me shopping for my family or the NKU students shopping for what they need to get through the school day.